Hi, my name is Chantel Thomas, but I would like to go by Shawnee. I was born and raised in Georgia, and as of right now, I work as a foster care case manager for DFACS. I've been there for about a year and a half, and I do love my job. I love the fact that I get to interact with children on a day-to-day basis. I try to work with their parents. For the bigger picture of reunifying the family. It doesn't always work out that way, but that comes along with the job. I was introduced to the world of social work when I first had started out as a child placing agency case manager, which basically means I work hand in hand with DFACS to place foster kids in therapeutic homes for the agency that I was working with. It wasn't exactly what I thought it was going to be. For me to be a fish out of water, not knowing anything about the profession or that position that I was in. But it was a blessing in disguise because I have now stepped into my purpose and I found my passion, which is social work and definitely just working with children. I am super excited to go ahead and start this program. I'm already looking forward to graduating the program. So definitely just real positive vibes moving forward with this experience and this process that I'm getting ready to go through. And I feel that I am a little apprehensive as far as staying on top of assignments, reaching out to the instructor if I have any questions, things of that nature. But I think I'll be okay because I know that this is something that I really want to do. And once I put my mind to it, I'm committed. So that's me. I want to wish everybody a great first week and see you guys online. Bye.